I'm Ratna Bhushan, a friend, motivator, and guide to IAS aspirant, international motivational speaker, leadership trainer, CEO, coach, political strategist, and policy advisor. Welcome to ASGIS. ASGIS, the leading institute for IAS preparation since 2001, believe in quality, commitment, and success. Join our Success Foundation course. We are discussing about General Studies 1998 paper. General Studies Mains paper 1998. What was the significance of question 1? What was the significance of Prajamandal movement in Indian states in the decade preceding India's independence? Prajamandal movement. The answer is, in Indian state, the Prajamandal movement awake masses for the demand of self-government and representation through election. These mass movements were inspired by civil disobedience movement in 1930 decade. Various states were under these protests. Many Congress leaders supported these movements, and even Mahatma Gandhi had done fast to Rajkot state. Soon the movement was spread all over India. This mass movement helped actively in the integration of Indian states in Indian dominion. They proved very significant in unity of India after independence. Question number 2. Assess the role of C. Rajagopalachari during the pre-partition years of Indian public life. Assess the role of C. Rajagopalachari, bole to Raja ji, during the pre-partition years of Indian public life. C. Rajagopalachari attained a dominant position through various political activities. He was the Chief Minister of Madras. In 1937 to 39, and the Minister in Center in 1947. He gave C. Rajagopalachari formula, that is Rajaji formula, CR formula in 1944. It was related to the partition of India and Hindu-Muslim riots. Gandhi supported this formula. He played a vital role in creating Hindu South language controversy by protesting implementation of Hindi language in South. He even opposed the decimal system of currency in India, though. Thus, through various issues, he influenced Indian politics. Now, these are some 20 words. What do we know about the following 20 words? You have to write about 20 words. Earlier it used to be asked in UPSC. Neel Darpan, based on the Indigo Revolt. Neel Darpan, based on the Indigo Revolt. This is a play written by Dinbandhu Mitra in 1860. It exposed British exploitation. Sarda Sadan, established in 1889 by Ramaben in Maharashtra. It was a social organization fighting against the evils of child marriage, dowry, and for promotion of widow remarriage and the women empowerment. Sabarmati Ashram. Mahatma Gandhi established in Ahmedabad Satyagraha Ashram, which later was shifted on the bank of river Sabarmati and came to be known as Sabarmati Ashram. Hunter Commission. To review the progress of education in the country since Wood's dispatch of 1854, the government appointed a commission in 1882 under the chairmanship of W. Hunter. Bandi Jeevan. Sachindranath Sanyal, a revolutionary martyr, wrote about his Kala Pani punishment days in his book Bandi Jeevan. Why have the following become famous? These are the 20 words more regarding the personality and some organization. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, 1890 to 1988, born in a village of Peshawar district, joined the nationalist movement, founded the organization Khudai Khidmatgar, that is also known as Lal Kurti, in 1929. Lal Pathans was known as Frontier Gandhi, Badshah Khan, Fakhre Afghan. He was awarded the Bharat Ratna in 1987, and he was the first non-Indian to achieve Bharat Ratna. Seth Jamnalal Bajaj, 1889 to 1942, a follower of Mahatma Gandhi, occupied the position of Treasurer of Congress and held it throughout his life. Founded Mahatma Gandhi Seva Sangh, and Sasta Sahitya Mandal. He gifted a village to Mahatma Gandhi, who named it Sevagram. Next is S. Satyamurthy, 1887 to 1943. He was popularly known as firebrand of South India. He participated in the Salt Satyagraha, led the civil disobedience movement. He finalized a project which was renamed in his honor as Satyamurti Sagar, Satyamurti Sagar, Satyamurti Sagar. Udham Singh. Udham Singh, to take revenge for Jallianwala Bagh massacre, he shot and killed Sir Michael O'Dwyer in 1940. He was executed in London on 12th June 1940. Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu, first lady to preside over the Congress Kanpur 1925, and she was the first female president of Congress. She got the title of Nightingale of India for her beautiful English verses. First Indian lady governor of Uttar Pradesh. First lady governor of Uttar Pradesh. Kulu School. Kulu School. It is a painting style of which the main theme is love. Main theme is love. It is a unique for its color mixture, linear beauty, etc. Gopuram, Gopuram, Gopuram. It is an entrance gate in Dravid style, South Indian temples with magnificent stone carvings. Cholaj Gopurams are most beautiful examples. Wahhabi movement, founded by Sayyid Ahmad Barelvi at Bareilly. This movement was begun in Rohilkhand to popularize the teaching of Waliullah. It opposed the British. Bharat Dharma Mahamandal. It was an organization of Orthodox Hindus established by Pandit Deen Dayal Sharma in 1890 in Punjab with All India Mission. Communal award. It was announced by the British Prime Minister Ramsay MacDonald in August 1932, that is 16th August 1932. It was entitled to separate electorate even for depressed classes along with the Muslim, Sikh and Christian.